So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect to Wi-Fi network on your XIAOMI Smart L1 projector. To do it, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings, and now you can go to to network and internet. Make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled, then go to available networks. If you don't see your network, you may need to click on see all. Now you'll see all available networks. If you still can't see it, maybe your network is hidden. If it's hidden, you'll need to go to add network and enter your SSID manually as well as the password. Remember that SSIDs are case sensitive, so you should enter it exactly how it is, but I can see my network right here, so I'll just select it from available networks list, then enter its password, and now go to approve button to connect to it. You can see that I will get connected successfully, and that's all for this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.